Apple is reportedly preparing one of its biggest years ever. New leaks suggest the company could launch up to 16 new products across 3 major events between September and November. Here's everything expected in a quick and easy roundup. The September event is expected to start with the new iPad 12. Reports say it could arrive with a faster A19 chip, 8GB RAM, and full Apple Intelligence support. Alongside it, Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. Recent leaks point to a smaller dynamic island, new color options, improved cooling, a bigger camera sensor, a 24-megapixel front camera, satellite features, and the powerful A20 Pro chip. However, rumors also suggest these Pro models could cost around $200 more than the current versions. Apple may also introduce a new Apple TV 4K with the A17 Pro chip, 8GB RAM, better gaming performance, and Apple Intelligence support. Another major surprise could be Apple's first foldable iPhone, currently rumored as the iPhone Ultra. Leaks claim it will feature a large crease-free folding display, a liquid metal hinge, flagship cameras, the A20 Pro chip, and Apple's biggest iPhone battery yet. Instead of Face ID, it may use a side-mounted Touch ID sensor. The same event could also bring the HomePod Mini 2 with improved sound, the S10 chip, new colors, and better wireless performance. Apple Watch Ultra 4 is expected to receive the S12 chip, improved health sensors, possible blood pressure monitoring, and better connectivity. The standard Apple Watch series, the 12th of May, only receive a processor upgrade with a few small improvements. Apple is also rumored to refresh the larger HomePod with updated hardware and better audio quality. October is expected to focus completely on Macs powered by the M5 chip family. The new Mac Studio could launch with M5 Max and M5 Ultra processors. Apple is also rumored to unveil a redesigned MacBook Ultra featuring thinner bezels, a new OLED display, improved cooling, dynamic island, and M5 Pro or M5 Max chip. The Mac Mini and iMac are also expected to receive simple upgrades with the new M5 processor, while keeping their current designs. November could introduce another exciting wave of products. The OLED iPad Mini 8 is expected to feature a brighter display, thinner bezels, a larger screen, the A20 Pro chip, and faster wireless performance. Apple may also release the base 14-inch MacBook Pro with the new M6 chip. Apple is also expected to finally launch its long-rumored smart home hub. Reports describe it as a small display that works as a home control center for FaceTime, smart home devices, entertainment, and Siri. Another surprise could be Apple's first smart doorbell with Face ID support, designed to work closely with the new Home Hub and Home app for a complete smart home experience. According to current leaks, Apple's first big event is expected on September 9, 2026, followed by Mac announcements on October 14th, and the final event on November 17, 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.